and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, your crypto billionaires and millionaires, right? Yes, we are here, everybody. I'm sorry. And this is the echo, right? Yeah, I'm sorry I was late. Welcome, everybody. This is FXFreedom's lazy crypto portfolio. It's called Crypto Friday. Crypto Friday, everybody. And to remember what we are doing here, we are going to stay together for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and we are going to talk about the crypto market. There is disclaimer, everybody: the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. One more time: crypto assets, cryptocurrencies, whatever may be the case, NFTs, whatever, crypto assets carry a high degree of risk and are not suitable for all investors and traders. Always do your own homework before you act. What is the homework, everybody? Check regulation in your country. Okay? You need to check regulation, what you can do and what you can do. Make sense? Now, I'm always clear, everybody, I'm not a professional in cryptos, meaning, tell me what is blockchain. I have no idea. Tell me about the smart contract technology. I have no idea too. But I am a technical trader and a portfolio manager, and in my opinion, the crypto market is going to produce millionaires in the next. Everybody, in my opinion, it's pure speculation. Maybe I'm totally wrong. We have 2 more years. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin today, everybody. Again, in my opinion, every first week of the month we are showing you the portfolio results. Well, we are showing you the portfolio results every week, everybody. So this is the portfolio in the last 24 hours. This is the portfolio the last 7 days. This is the portfolio for the last 30 days. This is the portfolio in the last 90 days. And this is the portfolio from the beginning, everybody. We started in 2021, 12th or 10th of May. We started with 1,000. Then we came up to 9,500 roughly. Then we were down to 5,200. Then we were back up to 8,000, and now we are at 7,000. So this is my result, everybody. Okay? And remember, it's not 1 day, not 2 days, it's from May last year. Okay? I'm having a lazy portfolio course every 3 months. Everybody, we have tomorrow, if you are interested, we have the course. It's going to happen tomorrow. So if you are interested, connect if you want more info. You can also subscribe to the crypto, it's called Crypto Millionaire Crypto Portfolio YouTube channel, everybody. Okay, now as always, Crypto Friday, we're going to check the news. This is from 2 days ago. New bill aims to mitigate risk to US from El Salvador's Bitcoin law. Wow, this is good news for the crypto market, everybody. 3 US senators proposed a bill that would commission a lengthy report detailing the inner workings of El Salvador's Bitcoin law and subsequent action plan to mitigate risk. A bipartisan group of senators introduced legislation in the United States Senate that seeks to mitigate perceived risk posed by El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal currency, everybody. Great news for the cryptos. I mean, USA is moving forward. They are going to, looks like, adopt cryptos and Bitcoin as long term, we don't know. Okay, so this is one good news for the cryptos. India's crypto tax provides little legal clarity for traders and exchange. This is what it's called an ugly news. It's not good, it's not bad, it's ugly. Or it's more on the good side, if you ask me. So the India government recently announced of a 30% tax on crypto returns has sparked an industry-wide discussion on its feasibility. Earlier in February, Indian Finance Minister, blah blah blah, announced tax proposal. Whoops. Tax proposal. Come on, you two. Whoop. Give me a second, everybody. Okay. That would bring the relative unregulated digital asset space under the purview of tax authorities. The proposal includes 30% income tax on crypto returns and a 1% tax deducted source USD by crypto exchanges. So what does this mean to everybody? You know, maybe everybody, not just India, all around the world, call your tax advisor and call him, you know, do I owe anything to the government? Make sense, everybody? Because maybe you owe taxes. You know, so check this one. Now, see everybody, always do your own homework before you act. Check regulation. Why check regulation? Binance holds activities in Israel following regulator intervention. Certain services are suspended while the country's capital market authority reviews the exchange's license. What does this mean? Account suspended. You cannot withdraw, you cannot deposit, you cannot do anything with your bitcoins and other crypto assets, everybody, in Israel. So far, this news is from 17 today. So this is yesterday, everybody, yesterday's news. Israel Capital Market Authority, the regulator responsible for crypto exchange licensing, has asked Binance to clarify its activities in the Israeli market, according to reporting local news outlet Globes. Okay, so this is good news and bad. I mean, this is more good news, right? I mean, Binance is going to provide the documents and they're going to solve the problems. Again, this is policy. It's great news there. Israel is going to, you know, have different policies. They're moving like USA, you know, they're moving forward. They are pro crypto. Okay. United Arab Emirates reportedly plans to issue federal crypto license for WASPs. Good news for the cryptos. This is from yesterday, everybody. The crypto license legislation might be the first nationwide crypto-focused regulation. However, various free zones in the country had introduced crypto regulation as early 2018. The United Arab Emirates is reportedly planning to issue a federal crypto license for virtual asset service providers by the end of the first. Great news for the cryptos again. Now we have a bad news, everybody. If you live in Canada, now you have a problem, right? Canada, come on, CoinDesk, you know what? I cannot see clearly the, look in here. There you go. Canada sanctions 33 crypto wallets tied to Tracker Freedom Convoy. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and Cardano addresses are all on the list. Ontario Provincial Police and Royal Canadian Mounted Police ordered all regulated financial firms, brokers, platforms, and banks to cease facilitating any transactions from 33 crypto wallets. Okay, the federal police agencies called the FinTrack are investigating cryptocurrency donations supporting the week-long protest. The protest, blah blah blah. So the protests are now deemed illegal under the act, revoked for since. Okay, the list consists of 29 Bitcoin addresses. Okay, Tracker, Bridgers, Crossing, Country, January, Donors. Okay, here everybody, the Emergencies Act was set to take, whoops. The Emergencies Act was set to take aim at Proster finances. Speaking alongside Trudeau, Deputy Prime Minister said banks can immediately freeze or suspend bank accounts tied to the trackers without a court order, everybody. So, Canada government, you know, if you were involved with the any cryptocurrencies, you know, in here, so the bank can freeze your assets, you know, can freeze your bank account. You cannot withdraw, you cannot pay your bills, we cannot do anything. Again, you know, so far this is the news. Okay, Canada, it's more or less, you know, it's going to the like the not likable event, you know. It looks like they don't like that much, you know. Oh, I don't agree with you, everybody. I don't have an opinion. I'm simply reading the news. Make sense? It's not my opinion. I'm reading, you know. Moving forward, policy. FBI launches new crypto crimes unit. Great news for the crypto market. The National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team will investigate ransomware and other crimes with tools including blockchain analysis. Wow. The FBI is launching a new team to investigate crimes. The National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team (NCET), announced by Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco on Thursday, will evaluate which types of crimes involving crypto might need more resources to investigate and prosecute these cases. Great news for the crypto, you know, they're moving forward again. We've seen this one. Binance stopped all activities focused on Israel. Okay. So everybody, we are here, right? We are here. And so far, everybody, do you have any questions? ADA, Bitcoin, BET, Bitcoin monthly, out and out and out and out. Let's go on Bitcoin weekly, maybe daily. Bitcoin daily, right, everybody? I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay, now talking about, everybody, talking about this portfolio, everybody, and talking about the result. Okay, I'm going to, this is crypto. Now somebody is asking, hello teacher. I'm not the teacher here. Not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. Somebody says, oh, hello teacher. I'm not a teacher in here, everybody. Okay, this is not a course. This is just Crypto Friday. And I'm sharing with you what I think is going to happen next. Make sense? Now, maybe I can be totally wrong. Okay, everybody? I could be totally wrong. Now, talking about Bitcoin. And I hope it's not going to be too difficult to understand. Now, this year, everybody, and if it's going to be too difficult to watch this recording a few times, this year, because the Federal Reserve, they announced that they are going to raise interest rate. Pure speculation from my side. I could be totally wrong. This year, I believe Bitcoin is going to fall down and down and down and down. You know, somebody's asking, Freedom, how do you know? I don't know. It's pure speculation. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Now, what is the thing that we don't know? So, because the crypto market is a new market, everybody, we don't know how the world understands Bitcoin and the crypto market. Make sense? Make sense? What does this mean? If the world, meaning the, you know, the whales, the big institutions, institutional money, you know, if they are understanding and looking at Bitcoin as a hedge against the dollar, you know, what would be the comparison? Gold. Then if supposedly, with the premise that the Central Bank of New York or the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates, if, then Bitcoin is going to fall and fall and fall and fall. Make sense? Now, if the world doesn't look at Bitcoin and the currency, not the currency pairs, the cryptocurrencies, like as a hedge against the dollar, then Bitcoin is going to go up. Make sense, everybody? Okay, so the same student on the other streaming platform is saying, how do you know? Well, we are talking to me, you know, as you, everybody, we have friends work in different institutions, And we're talking, right? So what would be an example for you to understand what we're talking about? Some pension fund or some wealth management group or whatever, hedge fund, investment bank, is, it's looking at different asset classes, and if the Federal Reserve is going to increase the interest rate, this means that the bonds are going to give more money to the investor. Make sense? And some pension fund that it's after stability, they don't like the wild rides up and down 20%. So this kind of guys, they can say, okay, we are going to sell 20% of our bitcoins or 10% of our bitcoins, and we're going to invest this money in treasury bills, bonds, whatever, because the US dollar, it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Make sense? So in the Forex market, we are playing this year. It's a projection, not a guarantee. Everybody, remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice, but this year we are projecting US dollar strength in the Forex market. Yes, sir, it's a projection. Okay? So on one side in the Forex market, we are going to trade the US dollar strength. Maybe we are wrong, fair enough. Then we are going to look at Bitcoin and other crypto assets, and if Bitcoin is going to go down, everybody, tell me, what do you think? Is this the time to be happy, or is this time to cry? So if Bitcoin goes to 20,000 or hopefully to 8,000 again, would you be happy or would you be sad? How would you react to this market movement? No, everybody, this is not a course. Make sense? Maybe I'm totally wrong. I accept I could be 100% wrong. Make sense? Somebody's asking then, if Bitcoin is falling, how are you going to make money? I want to hear from you first, everybody. Okay? And talking about a course, everybody, come to the course, do yourself a favor. Okay? Come to the course, it's not that expensive. Okay? Do yourself a favor. Why? Come to the course. Now I'm changing the narrative of the course. Come to the course not to get the lamb, but come to the course to stop losing money, everybody. Gianpaolo 2 days ago, he put $10,000 in Shiba Inu. And yesterday he was, oh my gosh, I'm losing. He was crying. Make sense? Everybody, roughly 1 week, 2 weeks ago, your friends and family, not all of them, some of them started investing in cryptos, right? How do you know? Because your friends and family are as my friends and family, all over the world. Oh, the crypto winter is over, and YouTube videos, and you have the professional traders talking to you about the two bullish candlestick formations, and if you're Gianpaolo, you just bought 10,000 of Shiba Inu. And today I'm telling you that this year, most likely, maybe I'm wrong, this year most likely all the crypto assets are going to fall. If the FOMC, is going to raise the interest rate. Make sense, everybody? And not just Bitcoin, you have a crypto index here on TradingView. Make sense, everybody? Look at the crypto index still, Okay, so most likely it's a prediction. Maybe I'm wrong, 100%, Make sense? Why? How is possible? Somebody's asking, how is possible that you don't know? You are not listening to me, everybody. How is possible that you, FXFreedom, don't know? The crypto market is a new market. Make sense, everybody? You don't you are not, we are not judging anybody, you know, but most of you online watching the video, the streaming, you are not listening. What should I listen to? The crypto market is a new market, you know, and all of you are drawing Fibonacci's on Bitcoin and RSI and MACD and are plotting strategies, and you are not listening again. Make sense, everybody? So if somebody asks me, oh, how do you know? I don't know. The crypto market doesn't have 200 years like a stock market. The crypto market doesn't have the 60 plus years as the Forex market. The crypto market is a new market. Make sense? So I don't know if they're going to raise interest rates, you know, in the USA. I don't know how the world population it's looking at Bitcoin, you know. Are they looking at Bitcoin as a hedge, you know, or are they looking at Bitcoin as a technology investment, you know, people's money, whatever the case? Okay, so we are the small guys, exactly. So if the big guys, the pension funds, the big institutions, you know, investment banks, if they're looking at Bitcoin as a hedge, as a protection against the dollar, if the dollar is going to get stronger and stronger, Bitcoin is going to go lower and lower and lower. Why? Because they're going to sell Bitcoins to buy the US Treasury bills and the bonds. Make sense, everybody? This is what I don't know, you know, because I'm talking to different people. Somebody say, yeah, we are looking at Bitcoin as a hedge. Somebody is saying, no, we are looking at Bitcoin from a purely investment perspective, like, you know, we are investing in technology. Those are two different visions, you know, from the investment perspective. And here you have then simply supply and demand. Make sense, everybody? Is that simple? Somebody's typing, oh, is this that simple? Is that simple? If the big guys are going to sell, Bitcoin is going to fall. If the big guys are going to buy, Bitcoin is going to rise. Is that simple, everybody? Make sense? Any questions so far? Somebody saying you didn't tell how you're going to make money if Bitcoin is going to fall. Me, you know, me and Lucas, if Bitcoin is going to fall and fall and fall and jump and fall and fall and fall and jump and fall and fall and fall, you know, me and Lucas and the FXFreedom cryptocurrency millionaires, future one, we are going to buy in March, buy in April, buy in May, buy in June, buy in July, buy in August, buy in September, buy in October, buy in November, buy in December. Make sense, everybody? The same student is asking, yeah, but what if Bitcoin continues to fall? We are going to continue the game. Everybody, makes sense? This is the game. And from the economy cycles, if the US dollar is going to get too strong, then the FOMC, you know, is going to start to lower the interest rate. If credit, I don't want to get too complex, but if credit gets too expensive, the economy in the USA is going to slow down. And when the economy is going to slow down, they are going to cut interest rates. So the bonds and the treasury bills, you know, all the government stuff is going to give to the investors less money. And this is where the big guys are going to get out of these treasury bonds and start to go elsewhere, like the crypto market. And then this is going to be the next leg of Bitcoin going to who knows, not even God, 90,000, 100,000, 150,000. Make sense, everybody? This is the Lambo then. Up in here, this is the Lambo. But you've earned your Lambo in here. Make sense, everybody? And somebody's typing, oh, I'm trying to do this, but I have no success. You don't, everybody, there is only one way you can not win this game. Make sense? And again, most of you online are not listening. There is only one way that you are not going to win this game. Well, there are really two ways how not to win this game. Number one, or you are going to trade cryptocurrencies. And I'm telling my friends and family, don't trade cryptocurrencies. Don't trade. Well, number one, why? Because the crypto market is a new market. And number two, you don't have enough money and nobody knows how the cryptos are going to behave. Make sense? We have a student who was on a platform thinking that he was investing in Ethereum, but he was not investing. He put on a trade and Ethereum went down and he lost the account. Don't play around, don't trade cryptos. And number two, how you can fail at this, is you want to time the cryptos. And I'm telling my friends and family, don't try to time. Don't try to buy the bottom and sell the high. Don't try to do this. Why not, boss? Because the crypto market, it's a new market. Make sense, everybody? Do you know who is Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad? If you are over 30, you know who is this guy. The author of the bestseller in all time, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki openly stated, nobody has a clue if the cryptos are going to go up and down. Make sense, everybody? So if his team of specialists and, everybody from the Forex course, don't mix analysts from traders. Oh, I have a guy who is excellent at analyzing the market. Yes, he's an analyst. He wants to influence you. Make sense? If you go on Google, on YouTube right now, you are going to have thousands of videos, people telling you, buy Bitcoin, crypto winter is over. And I'm telling you, those guys, they don't know. They don't know. And some guys are going to tell you, oh, short the market, we're in the bear market, and I'm telling you, those guys don't know either. Somebody's like, how do you know? I am stating, I don't know. This is pure speculation. Make sense? I could be totally wrong. I'm telling you, I hope that Bitcoin is going to fall and fall and fall and fall. Because this is where the Lambo is going to come from. But maybe I'm totally wrong, Maybe Bitcoin is not going to fall and fall and fall. Maybe Bitcoin is going to go up and up and up and up. I'm still going to have the Lambo, but a little bit more with difficulty, right? I need to manage the portfolio, It's not just Bitcoin, we have different assets. Somebody's asking, are you going to show us the portfolio in the course? Yes. In the course, everybody, I'm totally transparent. I'm showing you from the beginning, what I have invested in. I'm showing you all this, until up now. I'm going to show you what I have, what I don't have, what I bought and stopped buying, Makes sense, everybody? I'm showing you everything. Okay? Somebody's typing, oh, tell me again why I should come to your course. You can come to the course, it's one day, it's half a day really. You can come to the course or to learn how not to stress out, okay? How to become, a portfolio manager in the crypto market, you know, and hopefully be the next millionaire with the cryptos, or you can come to the course, learn how not to lose, and then you tell all your friends and family, you know, because they're not listening to me, you know, you can then tell to all your friends and family, you know, this is Shiba Inu and this is Gianpaolo, don't do this anymore. Ma, you know, Papa, don't do this anymore, you know, or Grandpa, stop doing this BS. Somebody's typing, oh, but Shiba Inu is going to go up. Guys, I respect you, believe me, I respect you, but I'm going to challenge you. How do you know? How do you know Shiba Inu is going to go up? You know? Oh, Shiba Inu is in metaverse right now. So why is Shiba Inu falling if it's in metaverse right now? Make sense, everybody? We had a student who is telling us, oh, history repeats itself. History repeats itself is a quote from the stock market and from the commodity market. No, but history repeats itself. How do you know? Oh, I just know. Make sense, everybody? When the conversation comes to, oh, I know what is going to happen in the crypto market, and I'm telling the guy, okay, here is my million. You know, do what you do best. But if you lose, you are going to be personally liable. If you lose my million, your house comes to me. Your 2 cars comes to me. And then the guys, so far until today, the guys is like, whoops, whoop. No, I'm not playing this game. So you don't know really. You are just blah, blah, blah to everybody that, oh, I know what is going to happen, but you really don't know. Oh, you are so rude. I'm honest here, you know. This is not being rude. This is being honest, everybody. Make sense? Come to the course, do yourself a favor, educate yourself, and tell your friends and family who are crying today, stop doing this. Approach, no, somebody's, oh, so you're against crypto. Everybody, I'm not against crypto. Look at the portfolio. I'm not against cryptos. What I'm trying to say, and this is Crypto Friday, I'm not the teacher here, you know, what I'm trying to say, stop doing stupid things. Make sense? What is a stupid thing to do? A stupid thing to do is to put 10,000 in Shiba Inu 2 days ago because history repeats itself. This is a stupid thing to do. You know, somebody's typing online, how do you know that the history is not going to repeat itself? Well, you tell me. Show me on the chart from 20 years ago that history, or show me on the chart, like the Forex market from 60 years ago, that the history repeats itself. What are you going to show me? You are going to show me Bitcoin chart like this. This is the weekly chart, or, you know, move chart, remove drawings, or monthly chart. I'm going to tell you, John or Jane or Gianpaolo, Marina, you know, show to me that history repeats itself. And this is what, and I'm going to, you know, everybody, I'm not arrogant, don't get me wrong, I'm always open for discussion, you know. I am coachable, I am learnable. Make sense? I accept that maybe I am wrong, I fully accept this, but talking about, you know, I'm going to look at the chart and I'm going to be like, okay, where is history repeats itself? Make sense, everybody? Oh, the market made a hard high. This is not a history. This is not a history repeat itself. You know? Everybody listen up. Most of you lost. I know some of you, most of you lost. And I'm telling you, you are going to keep losing. You know, look at the chart. What is this? December 2014 crypto market. It has 6 years, and you want to talk about history repeats itself. You can do whatever you want. I'm not your father. I'm not your boss, everybody. I'm just a friend trying to help you. Make sense? There are things that you cannot equalize, you know, and there are strategies that you cannot use, and there are tools that you cannot use. Why not, boss? Because you don't have enough history. Come to the course, everybody. Learn how not to lose. Learn how to approach the crypto market, you know. And I'm telling you why you don't want to come to the course, because you want to have this car tomorrow and you want the yacht next week. This is why, you know, some of you online are not listen. You don't believe me. Let's talk next year. Make sense, everybody? You know, and I'm telling you, you are not going to have this car tomorrow, and you are not going to have this yacht in a month. Make sense, everybody? Come to the course, educate yourself, and approach the crypto market in the correct way. And that being said, we are out with our time. This is Crypto Friday. Thank you for your time, everybody. Until Monday, stay strong and don't stress out. You know, approach the